Myntri ke tnad ke Koit ke Khiah ke Jylla Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh ke Ioh Jingkyrmen ba Ktien Khasi ke mynta Jingkyrmen ban Ioh Jingithuh Noh ke Khyrnit ke phra. Haba kren ba kilat pathai Khubor ke Myntri ke ongru ba Ktien Khasi kadei kawei ne kilai pho phra tylli ki jait Ktien kiba phah mynta ke Department of Languages ban iaid shakhmat ya kakam.
I may not be the correct person to be commenting on this at this point of time, but nevertheless, being a leader in the state, having my own understanding of this entire situation, we reiterate that just about 1.5-2 months back, we had already met the Honorable Prime Minister of the government of India, presenting to him a memorandum of matters and agendas still remaining unresolved for the state of Meghalaya. And one such matter indicated in the memorandum was the inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule. As per the seminar that transpired in the capital city of Delhi, we have been made to understand that 38 languages are now being listed and have been forwarded to the Department of Language for its consideration for yet another amendment of the 8th schedule. Apparently, in the past, I could understand that in 1992 there was one amendment where few languages were amended. Subsequently, in the year 2002-2003, apparently another amendment was initiated, and the department has now forwarded the same to the government of India in its own line department. Now, knowing this, that Khasi of the state, indigenous language of the state of Meghalaya, is one of the 38 listed languages that are awaiting the assent for submission of amendment to the Parliament, both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. Looks like we have now qualified, having completed all procedures and criterions for the recognition of Khasi language, which means we are nearing to our goal. At this point of time, my personal opinion is, with the Parliament now in a mood to dissolve and likely not to have more sessions till the next general state election of the country, likely it would be fit for us to follow up on this matter when the next Parliament reconvenes and meets post-election 2024. However, till now, there seems no scope or possibility of this matter being taken up in the Parliament, because a special session was already just called and just concluded, where whatever bills and amendments that were proposed have already been proposed, as we have seen. We are now aware of the 33% women reservation bill, which has received its assent in the Lok Sabha as well as in the Rajya Sabha, as well as from the Honorable President of the country. We've also seen that they are now discussing another very important agenda, which is one nation, one election. Looks like there will be no further amendment in the immediate future. We were also informed in the seminar, where we had threadbare discussion, that the indigenous language of Khasi, of the people of the state of Meghalaya, has conformed to all necessary queries from the government of India, which means that now the government of India should not still send back the document asking for further information and further explanations from us as a state. So as far as I understand, I think that we are in quite a positive position, and we should put all the pressure to ensure that political parties in this country recognize the indigenous languages of the people of various states of India. 38 of them are there. I don't have access to this list. But whatever will be that language, if amendments were done in the past, Government of India should not shy away from this. And my fervent appeal to all political parties contesting in the parliament election slated for 2024, this should be an important agenda and an item in everybody's memorandum. What's it called? What is it?